Yan. Sabi nga po kanina sa James 1:5, if any of you lack of wisdom, you should ask God, who gives generously to all without finding fault, and it will give it to you. So sabi po sa Proverbs 2:6, for the Lord gives wisdom, and from His mouth come knowledge and understanding. So yung wisdom po, it belongs to God. He created us para po magkaroon ng purpose yung buhay natin. Amen? So if we desire wisdom, we must go to Him. Amen?
Amen.
So sa Kanya lang tayo. Amen po ba? Yung number 2 po, seeking with genuine faith. So kung wala po tayong pananampalataya, hindi po natin pwedeng hanapin yung wisdom na gusto natin. Amen? So sabi nga po sa James 1:6, but he must ask in faith without doubt, because the one who doubt is like a wave of the sea blown tossed by the wind. So ito pong verse na to, ini-instruct tayo ng Panginoon as a believer na talagang sa Kanya lang po tayo manahan ng karunungan, hindi po sa sarili natin akala. Amen? So kailangan po, we need to always God for the wisdom and knowledge na gusto natin makamit. So without faith, sabi na, wala. Kasi faith is very essential. Amen? So mahalaga ang faith. We need to approach God. Kaya kung kailangan ng wisdom every day na meron kayong plano, we need to ask God. Amen? So yun po yung, kasi sabi ng Hebrews, without faith, it is impossible to please God. Amen? So for he who comes to God must believe that He is rewarder for those who seek Him. So ang Panginoon lang, sabi nga po dito, when you seek God, so siya lang po yung nagre-reward sa atin ng anumang mithiin natin sa buhay. Amen? So sabi ko nga po dito, we must believe that God cares for us sa aking sinulat kanina. We must believe that God cares for us. Mahal tayo ng Panginoon, kaya alam niya kung ano yung plano niya, gusto niya, lumalapit tayo sa Kanya. Amen? So, remember po, yung faith involves yung paniniwala natin sa Panginoon. So, kung wala tayong tiwala sa Panginoon, amen? So, sabi ko po sa aking conclusion, the wisest decision we will ever make in our life is to put Christ is the source of all wisdom. So, kailangan po yun, sabi po niya sa Colossians 2:3,